Want to scale your Facebook ads? Follow these simple steps to scale your Facebook ads and achieve better results like never before. You've been running Facebook ads for quite some time now and you're already seeing some amount of success. You're getting good engagements, you're getting good clicks, and you're getting good conversions. But now you want to take things to the next level. You want to scale your ads and reach to newer people. But how do you do it? The first thing that you need to do is to analyze your data. Look at the metrics that matter most to your business, which ad sets are converting, which audiences are working out the best for your brand. Identify the factors that are contributing to your success. Once you have a clear understanding of what's working and what's not working, now it's a time to increase your ad budgets. But don't just double your ad budgets overnight. Instead, increase it gradually over time. This will basically give Facebook's algorithm time to optimize and adjust the campaigns based on the budgets that you have increased. The second way to scale your ads is to expand your audience targeting. Look for audiences that are very similar to your existing ones. You can simply do this by using the Facebook's lookalike audience feature, which creates new audiences based on your existing audience's characteristics. The third way to scale your Facebook ad is to test out new ad creative. Try different images, videos, and ad copies to understand what's working the best for your target audience. Don't be afraid to think out of the box and experiment new ideas. And there you have it. These are the 3 most simple things that you need to do in order to scale your Facebook ad. If you found this video to be useful, do share it with your friends and comment down your thoughts in the comment section below.